Hi everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use Kurviger, which is a very cool app for motorcyclists to plan their routes. This app is free, but if you get the pro version, you'll be able to use this app in the offline mode. Now let's go to the tutorial. This is the route I planned previously. Let's assume you want to create a new motorcycling route. So in order to do that, long press anywhere on the map that you want to go until a pop-up window appears. Click on More, click on Show Address, and then again on a check button. And you will have your 3-word address shown on the map. If you want to set this location as a destination point, again long press on that point and click on Set End. Now let's set our start point, and let's assume we already know our start point 3-word address. So click on the search button here and then directly input your 3-word address. For example, Phil Council. Long press again on this address. Click on Set Start. And you have created a new motorcycling route. Hope it was helpful and see you next time.